Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use YITH WooCommerce Ajax product filter. First, ensure you have the plugin installed and activated on your WordPress site. Navigate to the YITH plugins menu in your dashboard, then select Ajax product filter. Here, you can enable Ajax functionality, which is crucial for dynamic filtering, and choose how your filters will be displayed to your customers. Take a moment to review these initial settings carefully to set a strong foundation for your product filtering system. Next, let's create your product filters. Go to the YITH product filters section and click Add New Preset. You can choose from various filter types, such as categories, tags, price ranges, or custom attributes like color and size. For each filter, define its terms and select a display style, perhaps checkboxes for categories or a slider for price. You can create as many as 10 distinct filters to offer comprehensive product navigation. Now that your filters are configured, it's time to display them on your shop page. Head over to Appearance, then Widgets in your WordPress dashboard. Locate the YITH WooCommerce Ajax product filter widget and drag it into your desired sidebar or widget area. You can customize the widget's title and select which specific filter presets you want to show. This ensures your customers can easily access and utilize the filters you've created. Finally, let's explore some advanced options and optimization tips. Within the plugin settings, you can enable Ajax for pagination and sorting, providing an even smoother browsing experience. Consider implementing caching solutions to boost performance, especially for stores with thousands of products. Always test your filters thoroughly across different browsers and devices to guarantee a flawless user experience for every one of your customers, ensuring they can find exactly what they need.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.